Patagonia sues drag climate activist Pattie Gonia in trademark dispute. Outdoor clothing company Patagonia is facing backlash after suing environmentalist drag queen Pattie Gonia over trademark rights tied to the activist's name. Patagonia filed lawsuits in federal court in Los Angeles this year against Pattie Gonia, whose real name is Wayne Wiley. The company claims Wiley's trademark application for clothing and environmental activism could harm the Patagonia brand. In an Instagram video posted recently, Wiley said, quote, "This is not a brand conflict. This is a corporation trying to erase an activist," end quote. Patagonia said it sought a settlement for years but could not reach an agreement, and added that the lawsuit is not about seeking financial gain or limiting advocacy or creative expression. Well, this was a doozy. So Patagonia, the drag queen, is well known for her environmental activism. Meanwhile, Patagonia, the clothing brand, is not like, this is not a black and white and evil thing. This is not Chick-fil-A versus a drag queen. This is, Patagonia is also very environmentally conscious, and they are, they do great outdoor clothing. But I think there's a fine text of the law that needs to be explored, and also the fact that Pattie is trying to sell clothing while Patagonia is also trying to sell clothing. That might be an issue here. But what do you guys think? I have no idea.
Well, it doesn't sound like, we don't know, but there's not design infringement. They're not maybe copycat. I'd be interesting to hear more about what their lines are like.
Oh, the logos or the design, yes. Are they too close?
I think a drag queen selling t-shirts is not the same thing as an entire clothing company, but like on the Pattie versus Patagonia, I can barely keep Patagonia and Pandora straight. They sound the same to me practically, but Pattie, keep making your cute t-shirts and messing with some big company.
Rob?
Once again, there are bigger things to worry about, and this is not one of them.
All right. Well, in that case, that is an LGBTQ 1 Minute news story. There's no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.